How to check the quality of a video, Mac. Ever wondered if the video you just made was below HD or full HD quality, but were unsure of how to tell? If so, this article is just for you. Steps. 1. Right-click your video file. 2. Select Get Info. 3. Look for dimensions. 4. Determine if it's HD quality or not. 1920 by 1080, 1080p, is full HD. 1280 by 720, 720p, is normal HD. 720 by 480, 480p, is below HD, but still acceptable quality. Anything below 480p is considered poor and should be avoided. Tips. If you notice your video is worse after you converted it with a video converter, try looking in its picture settings, or display settings, if it's possible to set the dimensions. High-definition videos are generally more pleasant to watch and are more professional. Warnings. Take caution for video converters that reduce the quality of your video.